In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tidy lines here in Canva. Now, quick side note, my Canva might look slightly different as I do have the new layout. They are going to be rolling this out slowly to everybody else, but what I'm about to show you will still apply to the older version. Now, I have these lines just here, and as we can see, it looks a little messy. Now, we can tidy this up in just one click. Now, all we have to do is highlight over all of our lines. Then we're going to click onto the three dots. Again, this is going to look slightly different on your version, but the process is still the same. We want to highlight, click on the three dots, come down to space evenly, click on tidy up, and then, as we can see, it does it within one click. Very, very simple. But that's just how easy it is to tidy lines here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.